A large number of tutorials for various programming languages are published every single day on YouTube, and these are widely used by newcomers and developers alike. On activating the extension, the UI is modified, tucking away the default components into the sidebar. This view is easily resizable as per user preferences and current area of focus. The IDE corresponding to the programming language used in the video is auto-selected based on the video metadata and can be found in the YTCoder tab. A button embedded within the player initiates the workflow to extract code from the video. Region selection helps prevent unnecessary computational costs while using Tesseract. Once the analysis is complete, code is presented for review and can be appended per requirement into the editor, that then runs linter to check the code. In this way, one can edit and compile code in multiple languages without any setup time and having to jump between applications. Code extraction helps reduce the time taken in retyping boilerplate code again and again. Once the user is done with the tutorial, the code can be downloaded onto his or her PC in the corresponding file format. Based on the options set, the code can be persisted while moving between tutorials as well.
The extension is being continuously improved upon, and we are open to all suggestions. Thank you for watching.